Hi again. Welcome to another Lou's Redos. The best part about summer, fresh tomatoes. So, one of my favorite things is tomato salad.
So you mean ketchup?
Not quite.
The good ketchup.
The good ketchup, not the crummy ketchup.
All joking aside, what's your favorite part about summer, Dad?
Tomatoes. Well, that's one of my favorite items. And what we're going to do now, there's everybody has a different opinion about what to do with tomato salad. Everyone has a different idea. Use garlic, use red onions, so I'm going to do both. My favorite is garlic. So we are going to put a little garlic. Remember what I said about garlic. If the recipe calls for one clove, we'll use 2. If it calls for 2, use 4.
And if it doesn't call for any, don't listen to it.
Out.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to add 1 extra. Okay, so that basically how to start this one. This one, we're just going to do with some red onion. And everybody, again, is different.
And that's not a bad thing.
No, it's not. We're going to do some pepper. Excuse me. I'm going to do, my wife is not a big oregano fan. And I was told you call this tomatoes oregano. So in the red onion, I'm going to put basil. In the garlic, I'm putting oregano.
Alright, so that one's yours then.
This one is mine. We are going to add some olive oil from my vodka bottle, my oil bottle.
Mm-hmm. Multitasking. It's the future, everyone.
Yes, it is. Some people like cheese, some people don't. If you want and you had a whole piece of pecorino romano, you can shave a little on there. I am going to add some salt. And some fresh parsley. Now what I'm going to do slightly different, there's a cheese, everyone does mozzarella and tomato, and okay, it's a standard type of dish. But there's a cheese out there, and it's called burrata. And what burrata is basically a creamed stuffed mozzarella.
What? What a twist.
So this is the burrata. Now what I did was,
Burrata. Oh yeah. This is the
made
best
a
part.
little bit of garlic bread.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Once you cut this, you get all this creamy goodness. It's actually the mozzarella curd. So what you want to do is take this and you could actually spread it onto a piece of bread. You could add it to the tomato dish. It is absolutely delicious, folks.
It's a little hot too.
Just incredible.
I'm gonna take a rest of that. Thank you.
I was just going to make you one.
All right, here. I'll take a whole one.
So, and that's all you want to do. You could use burrata.
Thank you.
Okay, it's hot.
Yeah, I can feel it. Look at that.
I like it just
that.
like this. So you kind of have the mozzarella, you kind of have the stuffing, the cream on the inside. Add it with tomato.
Oh my
you
God.
can put it right on the tomato.
I just want to have
It's a little Italian item that not a lot of people know. So go to your local store and ask them if they carry burrata.
I didn't even know about it until today.
That's it, folks. Good summer eating. Until next time, be safe and good cooking. And subscribe. Like us and subscribe, and any comments, leftoversbylou@gmail.com. Until next time.